Hi, Sylvain Avril from Merlin Leonard. Today in this Marketo Office Hour, we will focus on what are the best landing pages, forms, and email you can produce in order to help your visitor convert on your website. My objective here is to give you some ideas of what is possible in Marketo, and you will see everything is possible into Marketo, so that you can step up your game for maybe next year. We start now. So let's start first with some example of landing pages. Here I'm on the website of this customer, Coffreo, with a nice website with some design elements. So we created this landing page exactly mirroring the website with the design elements, and with this form which has a glass effect. It's a bit transparent, you see. That perfectly matches the website. So that was the business need here. And obviously all the fonts and colors are exactly the one we have on the website. Here on Kaspersky, we have this website here. So the demand here was to, again, mimic the website. And this is this kind of landing page we have. So the first demand here was this sticky banner here. You see that stays on top when we move down the page. The second demand was to be able to help the marketing import the images and to render the images with those hexagons here. So we import normal images and it's automatically redimensioned thanks to this. So if we go to this landing page here, so this is a normal image that has been imported with either a square or rectangle format, and thanks to a little app we created, it's automatically changed to the form of the hexagon here. Call to action here. You see. So other example here, we have this carousel where we import those images and they automatically stick within this little form here, so that the marketing doesn't have to go to Photoshop and spend some time creating